Hello, and today we're going to show you how to fit a stem and then handlebars. First of all, to fit the stem, you'll need the stem, that bolt and Allen keys. What you're going to want to do is loosen all the bolts on this bit here and then slip it onto this fork thingy and then bash it on. Make sure it's as far down as it'll go, but this bit won't work. Now you get that and then screw it in. Then you get your Allen key, depends what size your stem is. Then just tighten it up. Make sure you tighten the top one up first, or when you're riding, your forks and stem will wobble back and forward and it's pretty dangerous. Like that down. Right, and then you can get it straight now. Line it up with the wheel, as you can see it's straight. And then tighten these two side bolts next. Once your stem's on, it'll look like that. Make sure all these side bolts are tight, but these front ones don't matter yet. Like, the next thing we're gonna show you is how to attach your handlebars. And the first thing to do is loosen all of these bolts. Just give us a second while we do it.
Make sure you don't lose them or you can't stop it. And then the clamp contraction
will come apart and you'll be left with the stem with no thing on. Then you'll have this thing, it'll look different to this obviously, and then the 4 bolts. Then what you do is get the handlebars, put it on, and then make it so the clamp is over it, and then put two bolts in diagonally, so this one and this one, and then just do them hand tight, because then it's not going to fall off and it make life so much easier for yourself. And then put the other 2 in. And then what you're going to do is get someone to hold the bars straight, well, how you want them. Then tighten them up as hard as you can, because it's important when you're doing something, when you land, you don't go forward or backwards, which quite often happens. Right, then once you've done the stem and the handlebars, you'll be good to go and go ride, and it'll be connected up properly. Make sure all the bolts are tight before you go, because you don't want to land and then your stem to shift or your bars to shift forward. And also, preference for how straight your bar should be. Roughly, these 2 bars should be just in line with your forks, and your stem should be in line with your tyre, like that. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helped.